Hey beauties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hi, my name is Genesis. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the beauty family. And if you're already part of the family, then welcome back, girl. Today's video is going to be the unboxing of the Jeffree Star mystery boxes. So if you want to see what is inside of them, then definitely keep on watching. Alrighty, you guys, so I finally received my boxes. So I ordered 2 of the same boxes just to see if they have the same thing, what the deal is, because I remember last time that he did this, a lot of the boxes had the same thing, so a lot of people were complaining about it. So I was like, you know what, this time I'm gonna go ahead and purchase it, and I'm gonna see what the real tea is. So we're gonna go ahead and open her. I bought 2 of the same boxes. They were each $40. He had 2 boxes. He had like one that was $40, which is a smaller box, and then one was the bigger box, which is kind of like this size, and it was $75. So I decided to get 2 of the $40 just to see if they all had the same thing or if they all had different things. So I'm gonna go ahead and open the box up. So I ordered this, I believe it was on Friday, and I didn't get a shipping email till like yesterday or Tuesday. I was kind of worried. I was like, oh my god. So this is what the inside looks like. As you guys can see, just tissue paper and the 2 mystery boxes. They seem kind of heavy actually. I'm kind of excited, not gonna lie. So this is what the mystery box looks like. Let's go ahead and open her. So again, tissue inside. Okay, so I know all the boxes for sure come with the pop socket, which is great because I've been having this pop socket for a while, so you know I can alternate. Even in the last box they all came with pop sockets. So this is what the rest of the box looks like. So we're gonna go ahead and start going in there. I'm gonna start off with the lip ammunition, and this is in the shade X Supermodel. I actually don't own any of the lip ammunitions from Jeffree Star. Oh, it's a pretty color. So it comes with this color here. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it for you guys, because I mean, why not, right? So there is that color there. Next, I see this Velour liquid lipstick, and this one is in the shade Scandal. This is gonna be like a purple one, which I don't know if I would use, honestly. So whatever I don't use, I'm probably gonna give it away because there's no reason for me to keep it. So this is what it looks like. I don't know if I should open it. I mean, I can always use this as eyeliner, so I don't know. I don't know if I should open it or not. I mean, why not? Whatever, right? I bought it. So there's a swatch of that one. They look really similar, honestly. They look pretty similar. This one's just a little bit more purpley. And it looks kind of watery. Maybe once it dries it'll be better. I did shake it before swatching it, just like it says, because it says shake well before use, and I did do that. But next I see another Velour liquid lipstick, and this one is in the shade Clout. Again, it's like a purple shade. It's like a little bit lighter than the one Scandal. I don't know if I even want to swatch it, because what if I don't? Yeah, I'm not gonna swatch it. But there's that color. It's pretty much gonna be the same packaging as the other one with the glittery. Next, this one is the Velour liquid lipstick as well. This one is in the color Posh Spice. This one I am excited to use because I think I've seen like swatches of this one, and this one looks pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this one. It's like a pretty nude. I'm gonna go ahead and shake her. Do you guys see that? It's really pretty. This one is a pretty color. I'm excited for this one. And last but not least, you guys, I see this Skin Frost highlighter, and this one is in the shade King Tut. I don't know if you guys kind of remember the drama. I think it was this one where a lot of people had receivers broken because I guess like a big palette of the King Tuts, one of Jeffree workers, like it fell and no one told them about it, so they all kind of shit broken. So I don't know if this one's gonna be a little too bronzy for me, but let's go ahead and open her. I mean, the size of the Jeffree Star's highlighters are pretty epic. So let's open her up. This is what King Tut looks like, you guys. Definitely super bronzy. I'm not sure if I should try it, because what if it doesn't match my skin? I guess I can always use it as like an eyeshadow, so why not? Let's go ahead. I don't have any highlight right now, so I'm looking pretty, you know. I'm just gonna try it on one side of the cheek, because what if I get a different one on the other box, so I can kind of see the difference. I'm gonna go ahead and let's go ahead and, oh, that's pretty. Do you guys see that? No highlight? Highlight. Oh, this is beautiful. This actually goes good with my skin tone. I was scared it's gonna be too dark. Yes, honey. Okay, I'm happy about this one. Okay, so far for this box, my favorite items is the Skin Frost, and I like the Lip Ammunition color, and also the Posh Spice. I really like those three items. The other two are cool, like, you know, for people that like colorful lipsticks. I'll most likely use this one as an eyeliner maybe, but it looks kind of watery. I don't know if you guys can see. It doesn't have so much pigment. So that was one box, you guys. You get a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items, including the pop socket. So now let's go ahead and open the other box. Let's see the teases. Let's see if we get the same item as this one. So this is the second box here, you guys. So again, tissue paper. It looks like we might have the same items right off the bat. So we have the pop socket, and look, literally the same thing. Well, it looks like the same thing. So let's go ahead and see. Okay, this is a lip ammunition. This one is in the shade Jeffree's Girl. So it's a different shade. Let's see what kind of shade she is. These are so pretty, the packaging. Okay, so this one's like a pink, like a bubble pink. There is that one. This one I probably won't wear, so I'll probably give this one away because I'm not really like into bright pinks like that. I used to be, but not anymore. Now I see this Velour liquid lipstick, and this one is in the shade Can't Relate. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this one because it looks pretty. Maybe, I don't know, should I? So this one is in the shade Can't Relate. There is a swatch there. Again, this one feels watery. I feel like this one, like with the packaging that is like this, I don't know what the difference is. I don't know if it's just like a limited edition packaging, but they seem like watery. I'm not sure because this doesn't even have glitter, does it? No. I don't know. It just has like a different formula than this one right here. I feel like it's like a little bit more watery. I like the color though, it's pretty. Next, we have this Velour liquid lipstick, and this one is in the shade Watermelon Soda. So I don't think I'm gonna swatch this one because I'm probably gonna give this one away as well because I don't really use these type of colors. But again, that's the kind of cool thing about buying mystery boxes, because you don't really know what you're gonna get, and that's the whole point, to be surprised and to kind of take you out of your element and try new things. Next, I see another Velour liquid lipstick, and this one is in the shade Clout, which we got in the other one. Let me show you guys. Where is it? So far, that is the second same item in both boxes. One is a pop socket, which that one doesn't really count, I guess, because everyone has that one, and then the Clout. So let's see what kind of Skin Frost we got. I hope it's a different one. I haven't looked at the name yet. So this one's Skin Frost in the shade Regina George. I kind of wanted to get this one, actually. I'm happy I got this one. This one, if you guys haven't seen it, it's like literally a bright pink one. Let me show you guys. Look at this, you guys. Literally like bright pink. Like what? Who would even wear this? But let's try it out. Let's see if it's poppin' or not. Which doesn't really pick up a lot, actually. Gonna have to. I mean, she's different, I guess. Do you guys see that? I like this one way more. This one I probably would never wear again in my life. I should have not swatched it. I don't know, it's just like too out there for me. Maybe if I would have picked up less. It just looks pink, like a pink stripe. Maybe I should blend it out more. Maybe I put too much. Who knows? Maybe I could use it as blush, like a very subtle pink blush instead of highlight. I'll make it work somehow because I already swatched it. I can't give it away now. But yeah, you guys, that's pretty much what I got in the boxes. I bought 2 of the same boxes and only one item was the same, which was the Velour liquid lipstick in the shade Clout, which I'm probably gonna give both away again because I don't really wear those colors to begin with. So yeah, do I think they're worth it? I guess for me, I think they are worth it. It's only $40, which is not that bad. And again, you get a variety of products and you get to try new things. I think this is less expensive than just buying each one at its own because I think this alone is only like, don't quote me, $20. But I think it's kind of fun and it's an easy way to like build your collection if you want to like try a lot of Jeffree Star products. It's kind of like a cool way to build your collection and to be able to try different types of products. Let me know if you bought the mystery box and what did you get, and also let me know if you got the big one, which I think it was called like the premium or something. I wanted to get that one, but I was like, you know what, I think this would be like a fun idea to buy 2 of the smaller boxes just to kind of see if they're different products or not. And if you guys enjoy these videos, don't forget to give them a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Click that red button. If you're not subscribed already, then definitely join the beauty family. Remember, every like, every comment, even a thumbs down, it doesn't matter. Just as long as I have interaction on my channel, it really helps to grow out. So don't forget to give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down, and don't forget to comment down below anything you like. Let me know what your favorite color is. Let me know if you received these boxes. Let me know if you want to see a certain type of video so I can go ahead and create that for you guys. I'll go ahead and catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.